Hi everyone, and in this particular access exercise, this is one of the most important values of access, and that is creating a query. Now, what does that mean to you? You've already created two or three tables or four tables. All right, these tables have to talk to each other. That's the big difference between a flat database and a relational database. So you can ask the database anything. The trick is not so much how to create the query, that's easy. The trick is, what do you want to learn from the tables that you set up? Because part of your project signature assignment for Access is to create queries from a database that you have created. So you really need to understand what questions you have to ask the database. What questions or queries, that's what we mean by a query, do you want to ask the database, and the information that you want to get from the data? All right, so please make sure that you understand this concept. Again, you saw with the database how easy it is to create tables, how easy it is to show a relationship. Now you have to say, what is it that I want to learn from this? So let's say you were creating a database on the courses that you took and how many A's and B's and all of these other types of questions. Of course, that's very simple. So you would have a database, a table that is courses, and then a table that's grades, two tables. You cannot ask the query from one table. That's not helping you to get the information that you need. So what is the relationship? So you have courses, CIS 101, Business 210, whatever, and the grades that you got in those courses. And how many A's did you get? That's the question. You want to know how many A's you got in the courses that you took. All right? How many B's? Did you get any F's? And they have to be quantifiable. Quantifiable means that you have to ask a specific question that you're going to get a specific answer. There's no way that you're going to get an answer from a database when you ask the question, well, how effective is a database? That's a discussion question. You have to ask a question that you're going to get the information from the database. And that is very, very important and very tricky. So I am asking you to just do this, and then we're going to do our signature assignment with the database next week. All right, that'll be your assignment for next week. But for now, make sure that you understand what a query is. Again, it's very easy to create the query. What's difficult is asking the questions. What questions did you want answered from your database? All right. Again, folks, you know that if you have any questions or anything you don't understand, my office hours are from Monday through Thursday, from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. If those hours are not convenient for you, because many of you work during the night, send me a text or an email with the days and the times that you're available with the questions that you have. All right? Thank you very much. Enjoy this project. All right? Bye-bye.